Welcome back to the Excel 2016 training. In this video, we will take a look at top-bottom rules under conditional formatting. Okay, let us look at how we can get to the top 5 rows or 10 rows, or maybe bottom rows. Maybe using percentage as well, maybe certain percent of rows that you want to look at. And, that option is available under conditional formatting, and you use top bottom rules. So for example, when it comes to salary, let's say I want to look at top 10 items. Once you do that, those cells gets highlighted. Of course, you can change the formatting the way you like, and you can also say maybe change it to 5% or maybe top 5 items. Same way you can actually do top 10%, or you could do top 2%, depending on how you want to, what kind of data you want to look for. So what this does is it lets you get to the interesting data quickly. Once it is formatted, all you do is launch your Excel and you can look at the data. Another thing is, let's say for example, when you select certain cells, and if they have numbers or any kind of number, what Excel does is it displays average, minimum, maximum values here at the bottom.